Hey guys, it's CJ of Tech, and OPPO dropped a couple of new devices, namely the OPPO Reno10, the 10 Pro, and the one that we'll talk about today, the OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus. For starters, this brand new device from OPPO packs an AMOLED display, triple rear camera setup with a new telephoto lens, and 100-watt Super VOOC fast charging. So without further ado, let's unbox and check what the new OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus offers. So here's the box, and lifting up the lid, we are greeted with a white box which houses this nice matte textured jelly case in a gray colorway, along with some paperwork as well as the SIM ejector tool. Underneath that, we have the OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus. We'll set that aside for now. Underneath that is a USB Type-C to USB-A cable. We're kinda sad it wasn't a USB Type-C to C, but hey, at least we have a power brick in the mix here. Now, checking out the device itself, we got it in this silvery gray colorway, but it also comes in glossy purple. Here at the back, we can find the triple rear cameras along with a dual LED flash. Up front, we have what seems to be a 3D curved AMOLED display with a selfie camera at the center. For buttons and ports, we have the volume rocker and the sleep wake button on the right side. The SIM card tray, main microphone, USB Type-C, and the speaker grills are below. One gripe we have here is the placement of the buttons, as it is positioned high up on the frame, making it a tad bit challenging for people with small hands. For performance, it runs smoothly based on our initial testing. We have yet to test the full potential of the device, so stay tuned for our upcoming review on August 3. More benchmarks and test results come along with that. Next, when it comes to the cameras, we have a triple rear camera setup, consisting of a 50-megapixel wide. The sensor is a Sony IMX890, which is the same one found in the OPPO Find X6 Pro. The second camera has a 64-megapixel telephoto lens. And lastly, an ultra-wide 8-megapixel sensor. For selfies, we have a 32-megapixel selfie shooter. Among all the lenses, we like the telephoto lens the best, as it's able to capture the subject in detail from quite a distance. Another thing to point out is the Pro Portrait mode that's able to retouch and filter your subjects before taking the photo. This lets you just take the shot and then post it immediately on social media. For the image quality, check out the sample shots we have right here. For software, the OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus runs on the latest version of Android, the Android 13 skinned with ColorOS 13.1. The battery has support of 100-watt Super VOOC charging. Super VOOC, or Voltage Open Long Multi-Step Constant Current Charging, is fast charging technology that was created by OPPO. It's one of the more well-developed charging technologies in smartphones. Thanks to that, it can juice up the device in little over half an hour, which is really cool. For biometrics and security, the OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus has both an in-display fingerprint scanner as well as facial recognition, although we do recommend relying on the fingerprint scanner as it is more secure. Now, to conclude this quick unboxing and hands-on of the OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus, we think that this device is solidly built. It looks classy and elegant and features all the things you need on a smartphone. Solid camera, very good performance, good quality display, and best of all, we really appreciate that 100-watt Super VOOC fast charging. But then again, these are our initial thoughts, as we have yet to spend some quality time with the Reno10 Pro Plus. So do stay tuned for our full review on August 3, as well as the price. So what do you guys think of the device? Comment it down below. And if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. And do visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been CJ, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!